hello guys, so today we are back with Among Us. This game is legit awesome. And yeah, let's go back into the game. Let's go back to the game. And yeah, the Among Us machine is full. Please try again in a few minutes. What do you mean it's full? No! Oh, I guess I can create a game. Or a poll or something? We should do it on more. Yeah, 10 players. Let's come. Why can we not confirm it? The Among Us machine is full. Please try again in a few. Oh my god. So we just wait? Oh shit. Okay guys, so here we go. We're finally in. You kidding me right now? We're finally in a game. Freaking finally. I want to go to the computer. I want to be... Really? You guys really need to steal my... Ooh, it can be a knight. That sucks. Flamingo? That sucks. Skin. Pet. Ooh. That looks awesome. Look at me. Ooh, look at me. I look awesome. What kind of one this hat on? How'd you get a head off? I don't know how to get this hat off. Well, shush, okay. Oh, my first time being an imposter! Oh my god, I can't believe it! I'm an imposter. Oh, hey there. How are you? Going to vent. Going to vent. No, get up. Get out the vent. Okay. I got out the vent. Oh, hello there. Do I have to wait for the stupid kill count? Okay. Hello, guys. How are you? I need to kill like once at a time so like they don't find out like I'm the killer. Or should I say the imposter? They found out, didn't they? I think they found out. I think they found out that I'm the imposter. Dead body. Oh, discuss. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. I swear to God. I think they found out. I think they found out that I'm the imposter. Who should I vote? I'm gonna vote for him. Oh my god, I swear to God, if they found out that I'm the imposter. Oh, they all voted. Whew, what did they say? Any surprise, brown? I saw blue coming. Blue, I'm green, so. Okay, brown. I'm not brown. Oh, they all voted for Totoro. Oh, Totoro's going out for no reason. Bye, Totoro. Totoro was not the imposter. Oh my god, they actually thought it was the brown guy, which is Totoro. Okay, so we're still good. Okay. So a reason of this game, if you're the imposter, you have to kill them like when they split up, because if they see you, yeah, you're pretty much done. Oh no, they're doing task. Oh, I had it. So he's over here alone. No, these guys are together. Okay, so we have this guy over here. And they're not splitting up. Oh, emergency? What now? White. Oh, they're going for white. Okay. White, follow me. Oh, jeez. Blue? White, I escape him. Also, it's white. Also, they think it's white. Okay. Come on, just vote. Vote. You can't get it. Come on, just vote, Mr. White. Okay, 2, 1. Oh, the white. Oh, no one's voting for me. We kicked out the white one. The white one is gone. Mr. Shiro was not the imposter. Oh no, who can be the imposter? Oh no, who is the imposter? Oh my god. Okay, let's pretend like we're doing our tasks. Yeah, like, hey, I'm doing all my tasks. I'm not the imposter. Definitely not the imposter. I think I should follow that red guy. Didn't kill him. Yeah. Oh, I think they know it's me. They gonna say anything? I think it's blue. Oh, they think it's blue. Okay, I'm gonna vote for blue. What are they saying? Yeah, at this spawn, it's green. No, do not vote for green. It's green. I'm gonna say, no, not. I'm not. No, I'm not. Do not vote for me, goddammit. Please do not vote for me. No, not. I promise I'm not. Who should I vote for? Why are you lying? Okay, I'm gonna say, not. No, they threw me. No. Well, I had 3 people left. Well, guys, they found out I was the imposter. I can't believe it. Well, anyways, guys, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell, so you can never miss a video from me again. Because I can do more Among Us, because this game is freaking awesome. Well, yeah, see you in the next one. Bye-bye.